Sean Russell was on top of the world. A month had passed and his $120,000 investment in Bitcoin had grown to nearly $500,000.
I think, there was one morning I woke up and I'd pretty much made about £12,000.
How did you feel?
Absolutely fantastic. Thinking, wow, that's mortgages paid, that's holidays that I've always dreamed of. Right there.
A British property developer based in Leeds, Russell had spent years studying the ins and outs of cryptocurrencies.
Yeah, it was a bit like a detective, doing a murder mystery plot. It's like, right.
It started with a few $100s. Then, last November, he decided to go all in, putting in his savings and tens of thousands of dollars from his business.
So look at how much it rocketed on that day. And I was literally...
That is extraordinary.
Russell says he rarely played the stock market, had little experience buying any financial products, and just like that, the price started dropping.
Suddenly I realised I didn't have a button to just simply press and cash out. And then my brain was just like, well, look, you've got such a lot of money in there. Why on earth are you panicking? Look, it's going to be fine. Just leave it there.
You'll always have this expectation that the market will keep rising, since that has been happening so far. So then it will be very difficult to get out.
Behavioural economist Benedetto Di Martino says the human brain offers clues to how traders like Sean Russell may fuel a bubble. This is the MRI of a trader's brain in normal economic conditions, and this, the brain trading in a bubble. Those red hotspots, Di Martino says, they're signs that a trader is buying into the hype. He says it's up to regulators to curb those impulses. Sean Russell chased his loss. When Bitcoin started dropping, he moved money into other digital currencies, like Ethereum and Ripple.
So as Bitcoin fell more and more, literally these other coins just started to drop until the entire market was just absolutely tanking.
He ended up losing 96% of his initial investment.
I mean, how did you deal with that?
Not very well. Yeah, I would say more than devastating, probably, quite traumatic, really.
Despite the loss, Russell remains a believer. He's still invested in Bitcoin.